Query successful. Try again without apps. Has this ever happened to you? You've sent money internationally, but now you're constantly checking your phone, wondering, has the money arrived yet? That feeling of uncertainty while waiting for an important transfer to clear can be stressful. You need to know the money is safe and exactly where it is in the process. If you use Paysend, you're in luck. Their system is designed for speed and transparency. Over 95% of their transactions are delivered in less than 2 minutes, but even the fastest transfers can take a moment, and it's important to know how to check its status, what those statuses mean, and when you should expect the money to reach your recipient. So, how do you track your Paysend transfer status? It's simple. First, log into your Paysend account, either on the app or the website. Next, find and select the specific transfer you want to check. Once you've selected it, look for and click on View Status Details. That's where you'll see one of several status updates, which clearly tell you where your money is on its journey. Let's quickly break down the most common ones. The first status is Transfer Booked. This means your transfer request has been successfully created in the Paysend system. Next, you might see Payment Pending. This indicates that Paysend is waiting for your payment to clear. Maybe it's an external bank transfer that hasn't arrived yet. Once it's cleared, the status changes to Payment Received. Your funds are secured, and Paysend is preparing to send the money to your recipient. Then it moves to Payment Processing. The money is officially being sent to the recipient's bank. Following that is Money Sent. This is a great sign. The funds have reached the recipient's bank and are waiting to be credited to their account. Keep in mind that while Paysend has delivered the money, some banks can take up to 3 business days to fully credit the funds. The final, Best status is delivered. This means the recipient's bank has confirmed that the funds have been successfully deposited. Success. Finally, you might occasionally see delivery failed, canceled, or expired. If this happens, don't panic. It means something interrupted the process, and your funds will be automatically refunded back to you, which typically takes up to 3 business days. So, whether you're anxiously waiting for a delivered confirmation or just curious about the steps in between, checking your transfer status is fast and easy. Just remember, select the transfer and click View Status Details for the latest update. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.